back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a PinchMe unboxing, and I know you guys are like, another PinchMe unboxing, but no, stop right there. This is not like any other PinchMe unboxing I have done on my channel. This one is special because this is actually my Mother's Day giveaway gift. So PinchMe had a giveaway on their Instagram account for Mother's Day. It is my third, well, it was my third Mother's Day 2018 being a mom, and I entered. I didn't think I was gonna win. There's like thousands of people that entered, but I was chosen as one of the winners, and they were giving away some handbags, wallets, pouches, makeup bags, stuff like that. So I entered and I ended up winning one of the items. It is actually a card holder. So the box comes just like a regular PinchMe box, and I opened it and it's actually the little gift bag from Mon Purse. So you guys, I will leave the link below if you guys are interested in any of these products from Mon Purse. You guys, they have really nice handbags, they have nice card holders, they have nice pouches, nice makeup bags, stuff like that. I really want the handbag, you guys. It was like a $600 purse, but I was really happy that I won anything out of the giveaway. So here's the bag it came in. I'm going to open it up, and I love how it's in this little pouch that was like this, and it just says Mon Purse on it. And go ahead and open it, and this is the card holder from Mon Purse right here. And then on the back it says made in Europe, and MP from Mon Purse, and then made in Europe. So obviously you could put, wait, is that one? Yeah, you could open it. There's 2 compartments right there, 2 compartments in the front, and then it opens up in here too. And this is perfect if you're a girl that does not like to wear big purses. This is for a girl that if you don't like purses at all, you just want to, you're going somewhere that you don't want to carry anything, but you want to have your credit card, your debit card, your ID, put it into this, put it in your pocket, you're good to go. So this is my first ever card holder, so I'm really excited about it. I did get it monogrammed with my first and last name. As you guys know, Doss is not my real name. My real name's Hadassah, so I got TH and then T for Thomas. And then I asked if I could get a little heart next to it, and they did it for me. So I don't know if they were supposed to do this, but they were like, we'll do it for you. So I was like, yes. So I really like how it's like customized and everything like that. Sorry you guys for my voice. Just got back from Vegas. Crazy time. You guys will see my next vlog. Lost my voice, but yeah, had to film this. Came home to a package, and I was so excited. So this is a little card holder, and I really like it. And then inside was this little card, and you guys, this is like my first, I don't want to say like high end, or like, this is my first real like nice stuff. Like, you guys, I shop at like Flawless, DD's Discount, Target, Walmart. Like, I don't shop at these kind of places, and these like is really good quality. So they actually came with this little letter. It said Mon Purse. Open it. Oh, not letter, a little card, and it says Mon Purse right here, and on the back it says care and storage tips. So this is literally like if you guys were to go to like Gucci or Louis Vuitton or all this kind of stuff, they actually give you stuff like this on how to take care of it. I never had nothing like this really to tell me how to do it, and it just tells you like store it inside this dust bag when you're not using it, keep it in a dry place, and it's all natural leathers. Wow, like it says I can't get water on it. So this is like literally like if you guys were to go to Louis Vuitton, if you guys purchase anything from Louis Vuitton, you guys will know it tells you not to, like, you can't wet it, you can't get, like, you have to do like all this extra stuff to keep it in good condition. So I will be doing this, you guys, the little care instructions. So this is like a nice little treat to come home to. This video is probably longer than it needs to be, but I was just really excited for this. And you know, my little, you know, like, this is a little cute thing to come back from vacation. I got me a little gift, you know. Okay. But anyway, so yeah, that's my little unboxing for PinchMe. Another big huge thanks to PinchMe. You guys are amazing. I will leave the link below if you guys want to sign up for PinchMe to win giveaways. They give away gift cards, they give away samples, they have giveaways all the time on Instagram, all the time on PinchMe.com. So I'll leave the link below. Sign up today. And thank you guys so much for watching this. And also I'll leave Mon Purse's website below if you guys would like to purchase. If you guys are interested in anything like this, or a handbag or anything, go ahead and check out the website. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.